How to fix crashing in Valorant. Now what you want to do here is find the Valorant icon, right click, and go to properties. Go under compatibility and select run this program as administrator because it is not selected as default, and click apply. The next thing that you need to do is go to the search bar and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Here, find Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall and click on Change Settings. From here, find Allow another app and click it. And here you should click on Browse. And now go to the driver that you installed Valorant on. I installed mine on local disk C. And find Riot Games. From here, click on Valorant, Live, and Valorant. Just select Add. So sometimes a game crashes because of the Windows Firewall. And the third method that you should do if none of these other methods work is to simply update your graphics card drivers. Just go to your search browser, type in your graphics card, and see if there are any available updates. Alternatively, you can type in Device Manager and find Display Adapters. Right here, right click your graphics card, go to the driver and update driver. And that's how to fix crashing in Valorant.